Our literacy programs have the best chance of succeeding when they are based in the soil of people's actual experiences and aspirations. We should also bear in mind that economic development is not an automatic guarantor of literacy and education. This is evident from the fact that even a rich nation like the United States of America has as many as 40 million people who lack the reading and writing skills. This surprising fact suggests that developing countries like India must evolve literacy and education programs that conform to our own needs, resources, and traditions. My government is committed to according the highest priority to eradication of illiteracy. We have pledged in the national agenda for governance that we shall seek to provide education for all. At the same time, I wish to restate a truth which has so far been inadequately understood, that removal of illiteracy cannot be accomplished by the efforts of the central and state governments alone, much less by any single ministry for department in New Delhi or in state capitals. It demands the collective and coordinated participation of all sections of society: governmental agencies, non governmental organizations, religious and cultural establishments, student and youth organizations, business community, and the media. In short, a sustained mass movement alone can take India towards the goal of total literacy in the shortest period of time. In this context, I am pleased to acknowledge the good work done by the National Literacy Mission. Since its inception in 1988, the country has gained valuable experience from the total literacy campaigns launched in the early 90s. For the first time since independence, a planned, coordinated, and comprehensive district level drive was launched with the involvement of central and state governments, Jila Parishads, Panchayats, voluntary organizations, and educational establishments. Through massive participative mass campaigns of total literacy, we have been able to make over 68 million people literate, 60% of whom are women. As many as 234 districts have completed the first phase of basic literacy to adults in the age group of 15 to 35 and are now implementing post-literacy and continuing education programs. A large number of districts, beginning with Ernakulam in Kerala, have declared themselves total literacy districts. The positive development fallout of successful total literacy campaigns is already visible in many parts of the country. There has been an increase in the demand for primary education, particularly among girls. A significant improvement is visible in practices of family welfare, health, hygiene, and immunization, leading to a lowering of the infant and maternal mortality rate, greater awareness about the environment, and better agricultural practices. Stop.